I wrote a question in the chat. I don't know if you want me to read it out, but it's been I'm getting that question almost every time I call a listing agent for a business, Tanya. So they maybe sense that I'm new and they ask that question. So do I have to be in Florida part of BBF to operate?
I don't know that that's law, but I think as a practical matter, you do, because the Business Broker Association of Florida has an MLS that they control. And I think every business broker that I've met that does business in Florida is a member of BBF. So I think you have to be in order to add anything into the MLS system that they have.
I'm not trying to add, I'm trying to broker a deal. I'm representing buyers.
You're representing buyers?
Yes.
And do you have well, yeah, they're probably not going to cooperate with you if you're not a member of the BBF. They won't.
And I was under the impression, and tell me if maybe I don't have the good understanding, but I thought that EXP Commercial, okay, as a business brokerage, my broker is part of the BBF, so I don't have to be. But is it like everybody individually have to be part of BBF? What does it even do?
I believe every broker does. So the BBF and it's the association, the Business Broker Association in Florida is very strong. They've got over 1,000 members.
Yeah, I heard that.
It provides all the forms for them. So they have business broker or BBF forms, just like we have CAB forms here in California. I would say that. So Dennis, are you located in Florida?
Yes, ma'am. I'm located in Florida.
And you're licensed in Florida.
Okay. Licensed in Florida. I'm part of EXP Commercial.
Yeah.
And yes, and I'm licensed in
Florida.
Yeah,
but I mean, if you are going to, you will need to register with BBF. However, so you know how you have to be a member of IBBA. EXP requires you be a member of IBBA. Well, Business Brokers of Florida now has the same kind of deal that CAB does, where if you join that association, you get your IBBA membership free through them, I believe.
Okay, so I'm sorry, say it again. So you suggest I first join BBF?
Yes. Join BBF and you will get a full IBBA membership through them. Okay. Included in that.
And look, there is I'm on their website right now. It says join as an office. I mean, this is different type of a membership in it.
Yeah, and you would just be an individual
I imagine the
broker.
EXP Commercial is the part of BBF already, right? Can we just go in as the registered entity with them, or do I have to be like brand new?
You're going to be, I don't know how they're set up. They probably have, if they're set up similar to the way we are in California, then you have one person that joins as a corporate membership, and then everybody else can join as an individual membership under that, individual corporate membership.
Let me read it to you. I'm glad I opened it. In order to join as an agent, so I'm an agent, right? In order to join as an agent, your office must be a current member of BBF, which I guess is EXP. If your office is already a member, contact your broker.
Yeah.
Office administrator to complete the agent profile form in the forms section through administrator login.
So
do I
contact
Brittany?
Florida, Brittany?
Yeah.
So you just need to call her and ask her to take care of that for you.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying. I had no idea that I had to go through this.
But I think that, I mean, for the most part, my understanding is in Florida that if you're going to be doing business sales, you do need to be a member of BBF if you want, especially if you're representing buyers. But also for sellers, because that's, you're going to market them and deal with other people who are also members. So Florida is the one state where there's a whole lot of cooperating going on, where most transactions have two brokers, one on each side. The other states, very few, mostly dual agent.